Hello and welcome back to another course from DevTechie.com. And in this video course, we are going to be building DevTechie Courses app, which is your any e-commerce app, which could be basically a purchasing app for groceries and stuff like that. So we're building one for DevTechie Courses, and this app is built completely on SwiftUI. And what we're going to be learning is basically we're going to be learning to build SwiftUI apps from scratch. And this course is designed for very beginners. So we're going to basically talk about all the basics of SwiftUI and basically how to get started with the app development on Apple ecosystem. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started by taking a quick look on what we are going to be building. So we're going to start with this list view, which is going to basically have all the courses and the courses that are offered by DevTechie.com, and these are all the courses that are provided by us. So you can check out at DevTechie.com, and you can click on one of these to go into detail and learn about what this course is about. You can also explore some of the relative courses or relevant courses. So we're going to be building this scroll view, which scrolls bottom to up, right? So this is another effect that we're going to create. Now, once you've explored the course, you can add the course into the cart, and you can take a look at the cart right here. And as you can see that your cart is building up. Now, when you're until you're ready, you can actually leave your course in the cart. So let's go ahead and add one more. So I will add one more here. And once the course is added into the cart, if you go back to it, you're gonna see that the course cannot be added again because it's already in the cart. So basically your app knows what's in the cart and what's not. So cart management is another thing that you're going to be learning. And then once you have your cart built up, you see the total. From here, you can clear to empty your cart, and you can see when when there's nothing in the cart, basically we have an empty state shown up here, guiding user to go back to the browse view and try to add some courses. Now, if you remember, this course was in the list in the cart, and as soon as we deleted that, the add to cart button is now back from in cart to add to cart. So state is being managed for us. So as you can see, now we've added again, and we're going to go ahead and add one more. There you go. Now we are ready to check out. So let's go ahead and check out, proceed to checkout. And now when you get the checkout screen, you can see the order history. You can basically see subtotal, total, and then you can go ahead and make a payment using card expiration date and stuff like that. So all the fields needs to be filled in, or you can proceed with pay with Apple Pay. Now, pay with Apple Pay requires or both of these, the payment requires your payment gateway. So that is one part that we are not going to be building because it is a little bit more involved. But we have a course on devtechie.com that actually shows you how to build a payment gateway or how to attach your app to the payment gateway. So you have your e-commerce app connected directly into Apple Pay, and your customers can basically purchase your items using and process it using Apple Pay. Okay, so for here, for completion's sake, what we are doing here is we are just pretending to be processing the payment, and we're going to continue, and basically our order is placed and our cart becomes empty, and we are back in the at the very beginning state where our cart or our app is ready to take new orders. So This is what we are going to be building in this entire video course. So I'm excited. I hope you are. So let's go ahead and join me in the course, and let's learn about app building in SwiftUI. I'll see you guys in the course. Thank you.